I have been trading more than 8 years and I have used hundreds of strategies and lost thousands of dollars. After failing millions of times, finally I found my edge and I become a constantly profitable trader. I am trading live every single day to prove that it's not a luck. In this video, I will teach you in 3 steps how can you make $500 per day using this simple scalping strategy. This strategy comes with 2 indicators, one for the signal and other one for the confirmation. So if you look over to my chart here, that one indicator prints this line over here and other one plots these bars in the bottom of your chart. How you can combine is very simple. When you get these red lines in your chart, you will directly go down and confirm with the indicator over here. It should be red to enter a short position at the same time, and it should be green to enter a long position at the same time. As you can see that this printed green. If you go down, you can see that there is a confirmation. If you made this far, I will give you a secret. If you want to use any indicator or any toolkit, I highly suggest you use it after 8:30 a.m. It will increase your accuracy and it will increase your win rate. You will see with your eyes. Now we will see a live example together. Time is now 8:30. It's just 1 hour before the New York AM session starts, and boom, we got the buy signal here. And if you go down, this indicator also green. You can execute your position here. Since this is a scalping strategy, I highly suggest you take partials when you see the price closes below this line over here, which is exactly at this candle. So I'm taking off 2 contracts here and I am putting my stop loss in the break even. You can just basically flatten all of your position, and with this one you made $3,300 just like this. So the most common question is the time frame. Now I am trading at the 1 minute time frame, but if you just switch to 3 minute time frame, you can see that nothing will change because this whole strategy based on pure price action. Get ready to take your trading to the next level. I have passed lot of challenge account easy like 3 to 1 with LuxAlgo Premium. These indicators are here to guide you in the darkness. You can use LuxAlgo indicators on any market you want. LuxAlgo has 3 different trading indicators, signals and overlays, price action concepts, and oscillator metrics. The great thing is they all have their own backtesting system. Click the link in the description to claim your discount now. You can apply all the same rule in the 1 minute time frame, but only difference is, as you can notice, this line is way below if you compare to 1 minute. So what I suggest you do is roll the market until you see a candle closure below this line. As you can see that it acts as a support and price rejected from here and it continues to go up. Another great thing you can do is you can put 3 minutes on this side and 1 minute on this side. You can just basically micromanage your position if needed, or you can just ride this whole trend. If you just follow this simple strategy, you will not believe the results. Now it's time for me to reveal these beast indicators. Let's go to Indicators tab and search for our first indicator, which is called a whole suite, and you will see indicator from In Silico. Click at your chart. After you edit, go to settings for the hull suite and please change your source to close, hull variation HMA. Your length should be 55 and the multiplier is 1. That's basically everything you need. Copy everything you see on my screen. And the second indicator is Donchian Trend Ribbon. You guys know that I really like this indicator. It's not Donchian Trend. It's a Donchian Trend Ribbon. Click at your chart. After you edit, go to settings and change your channel period to 20. If you are looking for a scalping strategy that works on nearly all markets you want, including crypto, futures or forex, I highly suggest you put this on your charts. Even you can just use Hull Suite, or even you can just Donchian Trend Ribbon. They are very powerful indicators if you know how to use them. So that was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, please consider watching my other videos here, and until the next time, see you soon.